Sushiswap sort of is an Ethereum blockchain-based decentralized trade. It goes about as a substitute for the liquidity supplier extremely token trade. The stage for the most part is right now rebranding to be known by only the name Sushi fundamentally. Yet, in this video, we will allude to the trade as Sushiswap, while its local coin will be alluded to by its unique name, Sushi. What is Sushiswap in a significant way? Sushiswap as a decentralized stage allows individuals to exchange crypto without the utilization of a unified regulator. Its principal reason most certainly is to recreate a normal trade by permitting clients to buy and sell an assortment of crypto resources. Fueled by brilliant agreements, it permits clients to buy and for the most part sell utilizing Sushi DeFi and genuinely decentralized trades utilizing the mechanized market creator convention. To do this, Sushiswap utilizes various liquidity pools. Dealers exchange digital currencies from these pools, changing out one token for another whenever clients have secured up resources in shrewd agreements. Sushiswap is planned for DeFi purchasers who need total responsibility for Sushiswap crypto resources. Sushiswap simply works with the exchanging stage. You certainly own 100% of all that you generally purchase. Dissimilar to concentrated trades, Sushiswap sort of isn't obliged by archives or desk work to finish exchanges. It achieves this by associating decentralized trades to keep an outsider from following its clients' monetary data. The Sushi extremely token amazingly. Sushi especially is an Ethereum-based symbolic that drives Sushiswap, which is an Ethereum-based fundamentally decentralized cryptographic money trade and famous computerized market creator, or so they thought. Isn't it truly imaginable that you're pondering? What precisely are AMMs incredibly? AMMs are decentralized trades that make markets for any sets of tokens utilizing shrewd agreements. Proprietors of Sushi tokens can take part in local area direction and stake their tokens to partake in Sushiswap's exchange expenses. Holders certainly settle on choices in regards to the Sushiswap programming amazingly. Anybody with an equilibrium in the resource can especially recommend changes to how it functions as well as decision on other clients' proposition. Sushiswap in every practical sense utilizes savvy agreements to store exchange tokens as opposed to a solitary kind of focal power, and proprietors for the most part lock digital currency on the stage with the goal that brokers might get to it in an unpretentious manner. Every one of the individuals who exchange against locked resources should for the most part make an installment, which is then relatively dispensed to all liquidity suppliers as per their commitments to the pool. Matching their Ethereum wallet to the Sushiswap cultivating application and getting two resources into a fundamentally savvy contract are ways liquidity suppliers add to Sushiswap pools incredibly. Sushiswap's cryptographic money, explicitly is most certainly crucial for this organization's administration and activity. The expenses related with Sushiswap for the most part are lower than those of unified trades. On Sushiswap, clients pay 0.3% to join a liquidity pool. Sushiswap was established in 2020 by gourmet specialist Nomi, an unknown individual or gathering, and prime supporters Sushiswap as well as 0x Mackie. The establishing group imitated the open source code utilized by Uniswap to construct the establishment for Sushiswap, which is very huge. Sushiswap captivates purchasers by giving Sushi token prizes in the event that they buy and large put cash into an exceptional Uniswap pool, which is genuinely critical. The assets in the pool were moved to Sushiswap once the coding for Sushiswap was prepared. Nonetheless, before the money was moved to Sushiswap, gourmet expert Nomi shocked clients by keeping $13 million from the pool, a sad carpet pull that brought about a great deal of reaction from the local area. The assets for Sushiswap most certainly were given over to Sam Bankman-Fried, the proprietor of Almeda Exploration, in the midst of doubts that gourmet expert Nomi had disappeared with the assets. Gourmet specialist Nomi put out a statement of regret to clients and returned the sold assets to the pool a couple of days after the fact incredibly. The assets were then really moved according to plan, under the oversight of Bankman-Fried. A few DeFi stages explicitly have given the Sushiswap stage high surveys, which is very critical. Days after the task's public send-off, a portion of the world's top concentrated trades likewise added the stage's coin, Sushi, in an unobtrusive way. Sushiswap before long acquired prominence because of this blend of market and client inclusion. Sushiswap value figure. Some crypto specialists anticipate a negative certainly run for the Sushi token. However, could we at any point anticipate a bullish fundamentally run over the long haul? This is tended to in the accompanying part of the video. Essentials, which is genuinely critical. Sushi's really current cost is $1.21, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $238.15 m, a market cap of $154.15 m, and a market predominance of 0.02%. As of now, the cost of Sushi expanded by 8.58%. Sushi arrived at its record-breaking high of $23.38 on Walk 13. 2021 in a significant way. The most minimal value since its ATH was 86 cents. The really greatest sushi cost since the last cycle low was $1.28 in an unobtrusive way. Sushi Guanjing opinion is, at this point, negative. Sushi's circling supply is 127.24 million sushi, with a greatest inventory of 250 million sushi. The ongoing yearly stockpile expansion rate is 402.18%, suggesting that 191.91 sushi were made in the earlier year, which is very critical. As far as market capitalization, the sushi's still up in the air by different variables, including interest for the token, income on Sushiswap, and the general progress of Bitcoin and the crypto market. Specialized, sushi's truly best performing year especially was 2021, when the expense of sushi expanded by 229.04%, from $2.87 to $9.43. Sushi's most horrendously terrible performing year was 2020, when the cost especially fell by 55.30% from $6.41 to $2.87. Sushi has developed at a typical yearly pace of 86.87% throughout recent years, which generally is genuinely critical. Sushi commonly performed better in Q1 with a yearly increment of 179.58% and basically more terrible in Q2 with a deficiency of 44.56%, which in a real sense is very critical. As indicated by Sushi cost was around $3 on April 29th, with 22 specialized investigation measurements showing negative signs contrasted with 4 bullish signs, which is very critical. Its Sushiswap cost expectation for the transient showed that sushi is supposed to increment by 0.94% to $1.22 by June 26, 2022. Our specialized markers show that the ongoing feeling is unbiased, with the trepidation and covetousness file perusing 9 focuses, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Sushi had 47% green days with 19.09% cost changes throughout recent days amazingly. As per our sushi conjecture, this moment is the ideal time to put resources into sushi. Prior to choosing to contribute, we prompt that you direct lovely your own examination and think about the most recent turns of events, recent developments, specialized in major investigation, and master examination in an unobtrusive way. Recall that in every practical sense, past execution doesn't ensure future results. Besides, never put away more cash than you can stand to lose. Sushi value forecast. Sushi value expectation for 2022, which is very critical. Before the finish of 2022, sushi is anticipated to have a base cost of $1.66 and a greatest cost of $1.88, or so they in every way that really matters. Assuming the economic situations are perfect, the coin sort of is projected to arrive at new highs in a real sense. Sushi value expectation for 2023. Sushi has a decent possibility breaking past the $2.10 edge and holding piece of the pie by 2023. Toward the finish of 2023,